We're at our city mall, Ghatkopar today with
Afra.
Afra.
Yeah.
Very nice to meet you. So, Afra, tell me something. What do women want from men? Very simple, just straight up.
Respect and loyalty.
Cool.
Love.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
that's fair.
affection. Show what you mean, show what you're feeling.
Of course.
Yeah.
Cool. Very cool. Thanks for that straightforward, transparent answer. Who should make the first move from men and women? Like between men and women, and let's take this as an example, like total strangers. It's not like you know each other or anything. Like, who should approach the other?
I mean, at least for me personally, I feel like men should approach first.
And what's
Because
that?
I'm shy.
Okay.
But also nowadays, I feel like men are shy as well. Women approach first. It's just like you do you, honestly.
Sure. But you'd prefer men approaching you.
yeah.
Got it. What's your way of getting over a breakup?
Just like ignoring everyone and focusing on myself, I guess.
Okay. And how do you like try and focus on yourself as much as you can? Like, what do you do?
I mean, for me, I do art a lot. Like, I'm a fashion designer,
Good for you.
I like drawing, I like singing,
Pretty good.
I skate also.
That's very artistic of you. What makes a woman high value?
I feel like if she, gives you your space and appreciates the efforts that a guy takes, that should be, noticed by people, I think.
Right.
Yeah.
And then what would make like men high value? Like when you look at a man, what tells you that he's high value?
For me, I'd be like, when he shows like public affection, and I don't mean PDA in general. I just
Right.
feel like,
Small things like
you
holding
should be
hands, for
happy and you should like show her off, I feel.
Right,
Like,
right.
I don't like people who try to hide everything,
I see. So like make it official kind of
Yeah.
than keep it like
Yeah, like,
And
at
close.
least for me, I don't like hookups
right.
as such.
Right.
So yeah, I feel like
'cause I was-
loyalty is a big thing for me.
that's great because I was coming to that next. While you're on dating apps, have you used any?
Yeah, I have.
Cool. Which ones have you used?
I've used Bumble and Hinge.
Cool. And so while you're on it, you're looking for something more long term.
Yeah.
I see. Last couple of questions before I let you go. Would you date someone shorter than you?
I would,
Okay.
but not my first choice.
I see. Would you date someone who makes lesser money than you?
Probably not.
Probably not. Cool. Can you describe your dream guy?
I have no idea.
You
I
have-
don't know how
okay.
to explain it. But yeah.
Okay, that's fine. And then last question. Does body count matter in a guy?
I think it does.
It does. Okay. So you'd rather be with someone who has higher body count or low body count?
Lower.
Low. Okay, so that's cool. All right, so those are all the questions I had for you, Afra. Thanks so much for taking this interview with us. Really appreciate it.